Hey folk, today I want to review 10 of the most used shortcuts that have been used since the launch of Windows 98 until today. And at the end of the video, we watch 5 shortcuts that have been added since Windows 7. So without delay, let's go to watch the video. Winlogo key and E keys open Windows Explorer window. To close the window, press Alt and F4. Alt and Tab keys can be used to move between all open windows. By pressing the Winlogo key and D, all open programs will be minimized, and if you press them again, they will return to the previous state. Normally, if you delete a file, it will be moved to the recycle bin. And you have to delete it again from the recycle bin or empty the bin. But by pressing the Shift and Delete keys, you can directly delete the file without moving to the recycle bin. To select several files or folders through the keyboard, you must hold down the Ctrl key and navigate to another with the arrow keys. And then use the space key to select it, and if you want to unselect one, press space. Instead of right-clicking on a folder or file, you can use Shift and F10. To open the Properties window, you must use the Alt and Enter keys. You can switch between tabs by using Ctrl and Tab keys, and for reverse, Ctrl, Shift and Tab. Most likely, you already know the F2 shortcut, which is for rename. If you like this video so far, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And get ready to watch another shortcuts that came after the launch of Windows 7. To change the size of the desktop icons or the icons inside a folder, you must hold down the Ctrl key and make them smaller or larger by scrolling the mouse wheel. Open the folders in a new window using the Ctrl and Enter keys. Use Winlogo key and up arrow key to maximize, Winlogo key and down arrow key to minimize. Winlogo key and right arrow key to fit the window on the right side of display, and Winlogo key and left arrow key to fit the window on the left side of the display. You can create a new folder with Ctrl, Shift and N keys. You can also access the Task Manager window with Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys. Of course, this shortcut has been added since the launch of Windows XP, but I said it here because it is very useful.